here we have what is so far the plant growth, or the GUI for the hydroponic system. We're going to have the recent light level readings, recent pH readings, plant height readings, flow rate readings, a button for each of those, and then turn lights off, turn lights on, and an Arduino not connected button. Right now for the demo, I have it set up for pH readings, which is what's going to move the servo when I press the button. And I have, I think, light level readings. Yeah, light level readings. And that's going to take values from the photoresistor and graph them on here when I push the button. So first let's hit run. So as you can see, Arduino turns on, so it's connected. So now we're going to take a pH reading. So I will move this over to here. Here we go. Alright, so basically if it was set up with the pH system, that would normally do all of that. But at the moment, I only have the servo motor. Final product will, of course, have the rest of it. Now we'll go over to the light level reading, so we'll push the button. Alright, so it gets the, this is down here, is the date and time. It's set up to be, like a serial number, basically. I'm going to probably change that to something more readable. I'm not really sure how to do that yet. But just to demo that, you know, it's taking readings, we can hit it again, and as you can see, there is light. Hit it again, and again. Right, so it's going to start the same thing. So now if we, you know, like add some light in here, it should be different probably. Yeah, it's going up a bit. Or if we cover it up a bit, there it goes. So basically, this is designed for apartments and hobbyists. So I've tried to streamline the GUI as much as possible. So the buttons should be, you know, easily readable. There should be a little bit of color in here. As you can see, the background's kind of green, buttons are blue. Nothing too complicated. I might add like some more, what are they called? Oh, a gauge. Yes, I might add a gauge to the side here. That way that you can kind of see like what the what reading you just took was, you know, because it's a little difficult to see just on the graphs here. But yeah, that is basically that. We've tried to make it as simple and streamlined as possible, so that, you know, someone without technical abilities can easily understand it. And yeah, I mean, that pretty much covers it. We don't want to add like too much customization because you know, someone who's a hobbyist may not know, you know, like they might mess up some of the settings, and that could be detrimental to their own plant growth system. So we've tried to make it so they don't have to mess with any of that, and this is sort of the main things. We are also going to have it so it takes data automatically, I think using like the time function in MATLAB. I haven't implemented that yet, but these buttons here are mostly for you know, just so the user has like interaction with it, since they are an apartment user and a hobbyist, and they might get enjoyment from that. So yeah, that is that.